Alrighty, good evening everybody. Doing two videos tonight. One is kind of a makeup, and I know it's a little late because most of you guys have already done this, but it'll just be quick. So this first part is for Rama, get out of there. Rama, out. Rama. This first part is so you can hear me yell at my dogs. Come on, Brian. Wasn't that fun? Okay, now on to video number 2. Just kidding. This first part is going to be the parts of a circle, 10-1, and central angles 10-2. And I'm going to show you just probably one real basic problem, and then a more advanced one. So here on number 2, and I'm going to actually use number 5 as my example. This is 10-1. So we're asked to find the area and the circumference of each circle. So we know that area equals pi r squared, and circumference equals 2 pi r, or pi times the diameter. So here on number 5, they give us the diameter. Notice on numbers 2 and 4, they give us the radius. So here, we know my diameter is 9 millimeters, and my radius is then half of that, or 4.5 millimeters. So my area is going to be pi times 4.5 millimeters squared. Let me grab my handy-dandy calculator. I'm going to go 4.5 squared, and we get 20.25. So area equals 20.25 pi millimeters squared. And the circumference, because we already have the diameter, is super easy because it's just 9 pi millimeters. Okay. Of course my battery is running low. Why wouldn't it? How long do I have? Okay. 6%. Cool. Okay, let's see what we can do. Find the area of a circle. Find the diameter of a circle with an area of 240.25 square millimeters. Okay, so we know that area equals pi r squared. We know that diameter equals 2 times the radius. So if we know that the area is 240.25 pi square millimeters, and that's pi r squared, we can divide both sides by pi, and we get 240.25 millimeters squared equals radius squared. Take the square root of both of those, and we get that the radius equals 15.5 millimeters. We know then the diameter equals 2 times the radius, or 31 millimeters. Boom. Okay. Easy peasy. Next one, find the following arc measures. Let's start with number 4. So I'm going to just label on the circle itself first. I'm going to do 6 as a matter of fact, just for fun. So first we know that 55 is going to be over here as well. Why? Vertical angles. We know that this arc right here is 180 degrees. So we go 180 minus 108 plus 55, which is 180 minus 163. So this is 17 degrees right there. We also know that this right here is 180 degrees. So x to w is going to be 180 minus 55, or 125 degrees. Okay, so now we've got all that set up. We can go over here. We can go yu is 17. xw is 125 degrees. Now, xvw. So what that means is we start at x, we go through v to get to w. So we're just going to add all of those up. We're going to go 55 plus, well, actually I'm going to do this the way around, is 360 degrees. We know that the only part we're not talking about is this right here, that 125. So we can go 360 minus 125, which is going to give us 235 degrees. Okay, VW is 55, and YWU, again, that means we're going to start at Y, go through W, all the way to U, and again, the only part of the circle we're not covering is this, so we're going to go 360 minus 17, and we're going to get 343 degrees. Okay. Technically, I should have a little degree sign on all of those. Okay. So then let's look at, I don't know. Hey, where'd you go? 14 disappeared on me. Let's just look at 15. Okay. So what we're going to do on 15 is we're going to solve for x first. So we know that all of these have to add up to 360. So we're going to go 12x plus 2x plus 5 plus 17x minus 14 plus 90. I'm trying to circle. Come on. What's going on? Why aren't you?